In this video I will show you how can you see actually whom did you block earlier on Facebook, and if you want how can unblock them. You can see here I have actually blocked some of the person on Facebook. I don't know why, but it's my old ID. So actually I am showing you whom actually I did block, and if you want to see that, you can see, and how can you unblock, I will show the process. So for unblocking or seeing whom you actually block, you have to simply come here on the Facebook profile as like me, and then you have to click here the three line or profile icon, what you actually three line profile icon, that's the menu bar, and then you have to simply click here settings and privacy, then you have to click here settings. After clicking here settings, you have to scroll down to actually bottom, I think. Actually you will can see here there have an option called the audience and visibility, and below here blocking option. You have to simply click here blocking option. After that, after clicking blocking option, you will can see the block whom actually you did block, and then if you want you can unblock. Simply I want to unblock, let's take this person. If I click here on this person profile, then I can see here unblock option, then I can unblock. So that's how you can unblock someone or can see whom actually you did block. And so this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.